Kumar Pedinani and this is Erika. Today we're going to be presenting mitosis and meiosis. Have you ever wondered what cell division is? Cell division is when a cell splits its genetic material to create two cells.
Hi, today I'm going to explain you what is mitosis. Have you ever wondered what is mitosis? Mitosis is a simple duplication of a cell and all of its parts. It duplicates the DNA and new cells called daughter cells appear. They have the same pieces and genetic code. Two identical copies come from one original. Start with one, get to two that are exactly the same. That process is called mitosis. Mitosis has 6 phases: early prophase, transition to metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So, early prophase begins in the nucleus. The chromatin starts to appear and centrosomes duplicate. In prophase, chromosomes are visible. You can see now the chromosomes, microtubules assemble and move one of the two centrosomes to the opposite side. If there are two centrosomes, they move each other to the opposite sides. So then the next one is transition to metaphase. Transition to metaphase is when the nuclear envelope is gone. We don't have a nuclear envelope anymore. Then microtubules of bipolar spindle assemble and attach sister chromatids to opposite spindle poles. So again, these go in opposite poles. Then we're going to metaphase. Now the chromosomes are aligned. Microtubules are attached each chromatid. It's in one of its spindle poles and the other in the other spindle pole. Again, everything is the same things are in the two sides. Then in anaphase, proteins moving along spindle microtubules drag the chromatid towards the spindle poles, and sister chromatids now separate in chromosomes. So now these are identical. Then, lastly, but not last, telophase. Chromosomes reach the spindle pole. A nuclear envelope. So remember that here we didn't have a nuclear envelope. Now we have a nuclear envelope. We have a new plasma membrane. We have a new cell. This is now split up. Now, from one cell, we got two cells. This is the process called mitosis. I hope you can learn about it and enjoy it. The purpose of mitosis is a process in the natural growth of a parent organism. It's almost done to replace cells that have worn out, damaged, or just at the end of the natural lifestyle. Mitosis has some problems too. Problems with mitosis are devastating for cells and can result in their death. Even if the cell doesn't die, the chromosomes inside each other can be damaged or devastatingly affected, which can lead to
Hi, today I'm going to explain the process of meiosis. Meiosis is a two-part cell division process in organisms that sexually reproduce. Meiosis produces something called gametes, with 1/2 number of the chromosomes as a parent cell. Normally a parent cell has 46 chromosomes, but what meiosis creates is a 23 total chromosome cell. There are two stages of meiosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. At the end of the meiotic process for daughter cells, 4 daughter cells are produced. The process of meiosis. The first division starts with a prophase. In the nucleus begin to pair up with one another and then split into chromatoids. That means 1/2 of the chromosome, where crossing over can occur. Crossing over can increase genetic variation. This means a genetic disorder. Then after the prophase 1 comes metaphase 1. Chromosomes line up at the equator of the cell, where the sequence of the chromosomes line up at random through chance, increasing genetic variation via independent assortment. Anaphase. It's the chromosomes move to the opposite poles of the equator. This means they change. They go all the way to the side. After this comes the telophase. A new nucleus forms for each pole alongside its new chromosome complex. At this stage, two haploid cells have been created from the original diploid cell of the parent. Then comes second division, and this will be called. The first step is prophase 2. The nuclear membrane disappears and the second meiotic division is initiated. Metaphase 2 pairs with the chromatoids line up at the equator. Anaphase 2, each of these chromatoid pairs move away from the equator pole. They go to the extreme right. Then comes telophase 2. 4 new haploid gametes are created that will fuse with the gametes of the opposite sex to create a zygote. A zygote is a small cell. This process of meiosis creates gametes to pass genetic information from parents to offspring, continuing a family tree and species as whole. Each of these gametes process unique genetic information due to situations.
So the conclusion, mitosis is a cell division asexually, and meiosis is a cell division sexually, which is used in people and animals. And mitosis is basically used in bacteria or fungi.
So from this lesson we can learn that cell division can occur in two ways, and this is a way that the genetic material is passed from each cell